Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. Today in School for Elders, I have a very beautiful, inspiring and amazing story of Sir Francis Charles Chichester. Sir Francis has become the first person to sail across the world through Clipper route on a boat, and became the fastest navigator at the age of 65. Yes, my dear friends, he became the fastest navigator at the age of 65. And the story is really inspiring because he has been awarded by Queen Elizabeth, and he has been honored on the stamp also. However, he did not belong to royals when he was born. Neither he was died, he never had any link with royals. Still, he has got his photographs stamped on the stamp, right? So this is really amazing by Queen Elizabeth too. So you can actually go through the link in the description box. However, he has suffered from cancer also before that, and the spirit has not died to do something, to achieve something in his life, and he has inspired so many of us, right? So he has healed from that cancer after a while, when he had been put to vegetarian diet in his 50s, and he died, however, by Plymouth at the age of 71. And I'll be posting the link in the description box, so you can go through if you really want to go through the inspiring story, because he started sailing boat also at the age of after 50. And let me tell you, this boat and yacht require almost 6 people to handle, which he handled single-handedly at this age, right? So age is just a number, as I always say. Please, you have to believe it. Then I have a very beautiful wellness mantra today. Many times it happens that we overeat and we undereat, right? So however, you might have I'll tell you one very interesting fact. All across the globe, people are dying because of overeating, that is more in number rather than those who are dying out of hunger. They are very less in numbers. We don't get such data. However, both are not good, right? So if you have overeaten anything, right, that will also affect your wellness, your mind, your mental health, your physical health, everything. So you can do one thing. If you have overeaten, you can do water fasting for next day, right? You don't need to eat anything. Your body doesn't require food because it's already in the digestive process. So that is again one wellness mantra to keep your mind, body and soul healthy and in line. You need to keep fasting for one day, right? Fasting as in, don't go hard and fast. If you really want to drink any juice, if you really want to have any fruits, you can definitely have. You can eat fennel seeds, you can eat cardamom, green cardamom, right? It's not like that you have to fast or need to go to temple, church or mosque or anywhere. You just need to fast for your own well-being. That what you need, don't need to eat, right? So that's again a wellness mantra. And please keep on sharing this with everyone, and keep on sharing this inspiring story with all those who need it. So thank you so much, gratitude, and bye bye, take care.